What's going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sizinator, headinator, whatever you want. So basically, just turn on the power, then you can change whatever size you want to, and then you hit start, and then it'll warm up a bit, and eventually it will make you nice and big. So let's get into it. So first you need to get some buttons, basically just get a part, make a button. Then you click detectors into all of them, whichever one you want. You can have as many or as least as you want. Then you also need a number value in the model too, just as so it knows what size it's set at. So in all of the buttons you need the script, and then you have a click detector, script.parent.clickDetector.mouseClick connect function. So basically whenever this button decides, if someone presses it'll make the script.parent.bird color. So basically it would be like this one. The color would change green like normal is right there. And then it would also make all the other ones gray. So if you pressed one and you pressed another. And it also makes the size right here, makes that bigger, or whatever it is. Normally it's set at 1 because it starts at normal. Now for the switch, if you want like a power switch like mine, you just make a switch, like just get some parts, union them together. Then you get another value in here to see if it's on for debounce. Then you get a mouse click function to see if it's been clicked. Then basically if script.parent.value, so basically if this is 0, which means it's not been, means it's on, it'll make the orientation in the on position. Else if it equals 1, it'll just change it back to off position, and it'll change to the glass transparency, which I have glass in there. So I also have a detector. There's a detector part right here, that's the bottom of the floor, and that's what does most of it. So for a sizinator, these are all the properties of a humanoid in Roblox. And get the size, so basically whatever it's set to, whatever the button got pressed to. Then the debounce is false. Then script.parent.touched, so if the part is touched, if game.workspace sizinator.start.value equals 1, basically if someone hit the start button. And if then debounce equals false, so no one can just like keep pressing the button, so it doesn't do that. Then the local char is getting the player from the part, so we know which player to make sized bigger. And then the humanoid, we just find the humanoid so we can change it. And then if there's a humanoid, so if something is just touching that's not a humanoid, like just a random part somehow or something. And then it'll make the glass less transparent, so it looks like you're stuck in there. Well, you'll basically be stuck in there. And then I have some sounds. I have a warm-up sound that basically just sounds like the machine warming up. It's a bit loud, so sorry if I just sorry for the headphone users. And it'll play it, and then for every property, so basically this is for loop, so all these properties will go through each one, and then in the humanoid, and then .value equals size.value, so whatever the size value is, then I'll change that. And then after that's done, it'll stop the warm-up sound, it'll wait 0.5 seconds, then it'll play the ding sound, and then it'll stop it. Then it'll make the glass transparency back so no one can see it. It'll change the kink line of the glass to false so you can get back out. And then it'll put the start.value.value equals 0 so someone can use it again. And then you put the debounce. And that should be about it on this tutorial. I was showing how to make a size nadir, head nadir, whatever you want, whatever value you want to change. And I would like to say thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Later.